Here's a quick video on computer desk ergonomics. I made this video because there's not a lot of content on YouTube about this that's really good or up to date, and if you don't follow it right, you're going to have problems like me where you need kineso tape to counteract massive forearm and wrist pain from decades of computer overuse. So I think the most important thing is very simple but often overlooked. You want to keep your elbows and your hip and torso and your knee to shin all at a 90-degree angle. Very simple. So then, stand tall where you're typing, and then make sure your elbow is by your side 90 degrees. Same with your torso to your hip, and then your hip, and then your knee, or I guess you can call it your thigh to your shin, 90 degrees. So get a chair that you can adjust to do that. Most chairs can. And then for the desk, get an adjustable desk. If you're fortunate enough or you can afford it, you can get one that is digital like mine that can move up and down with a press of a button here. So the desk literally moves up or down. But just be careful with this because you want to make sure it is actually 90 degrees once you're standing upright. If you're slouched or like you think it's 90 degrees, but then when you type it's something different, that can be an issue. So just be cognizant of that. If you really want to go the extra mile, you can time-lapse video, you record yourself and see if it's 90 degrees. And then the second tip, and this is, I think people overcomplicate it, which